Alright, y'all, so now, here we go. Got the other side on. I don't know if I'm gonna put the wheels on right now. I might wait till next time. But next time we'll do the steering box. Hook the steering column up. Put the sway bar links. Put the tie rods in. That'll be on the next one. We got plenty of videos coming for y'all. This is another project right here coming up in the works. Little 83 Trans Am Firebird. Chevy 350 motor in him. The interior already done, you feel me? Digital dashed up. Come on now, quit playing with me. It look thundered right now, but I just threw everything in here. I got too much going on at once, so I'm just focusing on the 7.3 right now. But like I said, this one, he all the way there. Black suede headliner, perfect condition. Said seats is done. Digital dash, door panels, you feel me? See the Trans Am 350. What happened? Somebody closed the hood on me. Here y'all a little bar. It is a working ram air hood, functional, not just for looks. You know what I mean? That Chevy 350 and that thing, like I said, the hood is a working, functioning ram air hood, not just for looks. But yeah, this is gonna be the next one. And between there, we got an Elko, we got a drop Le Mans. So we got some toys coming out. We're gonna keep y'all locked in. I'm gonna keep y'all posted. Alright, y'all. Back. Another day. That's the steering box I'm about to put on. Those are my tie rods. And then I got my sway bar link right here. Buried in there, that red thing. We're gonna put that in the cutty today. That's my radiator support. Bumper guards, horns, hood latch. So I'm gonna tune y'all back in once I get everything outside to the cutty and situated. Alright, y'all. We back out. I'm out here. Got the power steering box right here. Got the bolts already coming through. The 3 goes to them 2 there. We're gonna get that all nice and bolted up. Get to fire up my little piece real quick. Some of that good Bay Area Cali bud. Gotta go on and get the little paint. Good. It's cool. Alright. I said it's all fresh paint, it's just dirty. Need a washing. impact. You feel me? Just like that there. Shit, did I put it on backwards, y'all? Yeah. What happened? Just might have. I don't see how I could have, though. So that go there, so this gotta come. His arm on. It only turns that way. So how is that? That would go on one way. Damn. Alright, let me figure this out and I'll turn y'all back on. Alright, y'all, I figured it out. It wasn't on wrong. I just had this arm right here wrong. Let it go like that. It's the other little piece that go behind it. We should throw this on. Get these screws out real quick. You know what I mean? That one through, slide that one through, kick it on up, push it on through like that there, you feel me? And there you have it. Now just gotta stick these bolts on. Feel me? Now I just gotta stick these bolts on from the back side here, right there. And these two little holes, boop. Shit, I need a bigger socket. Son of a gun. Really, I think I got them things on backwards, but we gonna keep it like that. Right back. Draft the motherfucker. Bam. I need to go get my magnet. Alright. Alright, now I'm back just for a quick second. Battery died on the camera. Charger for a second. Finally got the steering box on with the tie rods. When I first put it on, I've been playing with it for about an hour or so I ain't get to put the sway bar on. That'll be the next one. I got brand new power steering hoses. I ain't putting them on yet, but you can see the brown, the dark. That's how much I had to extend out from the original with the 3-inch spindles, because when I put them on, they was both facing inwards. So I had to keep putting it on, adjusting it, put it on, adjust it. Got the Carter pins in and all that. So those is on. I mean, they pretty much look like they straight now, but they good enough until I put it all back together and take it to get the wheels aligned. So I just want to show y'all before I covered it back up. Next time, it'll probably be a few more days. Maybe Sunday, today Thursday. Friday I ain't gonna be able to do it. Saturday I might be able to do it for a little bit, maybe an hour or so. But I might just come back Sunday early in the morning, put the sway bar on. I ain't putting the radiator support on till I get the motor back in. I don't know, maybe even Sunday I'll drop the motor back in it. I don't know, see how I feel. Till next time, y'all.